Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add loading property on your project. I have already written a code on code blocks and run it. Here you can see loading, this is come and end because our program has written just to be written for this purpose. Again I want to run it. You can see, so that's where the loading property will work. First I have to use windows.h header file to use sleep function. So now you can see loading, and I want to now write the others codes. I want to use the ASCII character, this, which value is 254, and now I want to show you. You can see the full line has been printed, but I want to print it slowly. So just use sleep function and the sleep time is 100 milliseconds. You can see again. That means this loop will be executed after sleep time is 100 millisecond. Again, thank you everyone.